The class planning tool in iPlan, also known as a grad plan, is a powerful tool that will help you think ahead and utilize your time and resources efficiently while at BYU Idaho. To access your plan, go to iplan.byui.edu and sign in. Click on the Class Planning button. Here is your grad plan according to your declared major.
The top of the page includes helpful information about your degree. Scroll down the page to see a breakdown of your academic years, including any transfer credits and previously completed coursework. You can open each individual year by clicking the drop-down arrow. Each academic year at BYU Idaho shows the winter, spring, and fall semesters. Previously completed semester classes show up in gray. Currently registered classes show up in blue, and future coursework is colored white.
Everything required for graduation is in your grad plan. All of your major requirements, foundations classes, and any required electives are already in your plan. If you want to make some quick adjustments to how things are slotted, scroll up to the center of the page and make adjustments to the minimum and maximum credits you like to take each semester. You can also check a box if you plan on taking classes year-round. Click Apply and future course requirements will resort to fit your preferences.
Each requirement is represented and comes in two types: required classes and placeholders. For future semesters, required classes are automatically uploaded based on recommendations from faculty and advisors. Planned courses include the course title and code and the credit total. This class is required for graduation. Click on the gear to move the course, view the requirement it fulfills, or view the class details. A placeholder is used when you have an option to fulfill a requirement. They start as empty placeholders with a green outline. In place of a course title and code, an empty placeholder lists the requirement and how many credits are needed to fulfill that placeholder. There is also no credit number yet listed.
To plan a course for a placeholder, click on the green gear icon and then select Choose Course. Scroll down to see a list of classes. You can read the course descriptions for each class to help you decide which class to take. Click on the green plus icon to add the course you want. Select a semester that you would like to take the class. At the top of the page, click the Plan button. The course you chose will show up in the semester you selected.
When you choose the course you want to take to fulfill a requirement, the placeholder is replaced with a planned class and the green outline disappears. If a course is highlighted red, click on the red gear icon to learn more. If a prerequisite has not been met, select View Details. This screen will tell what course or groups of courses need to be planned before you plan this course.
To move courses, you can click on a class and drag it to the desired semester. You can also click the green gear icon and select Move Course. Then select the desired semester and the course will be moved. To complete your grad plan, you will need to fill in every placeholder on your plan, make any needed changes to fulfill any prerequisite requirements, and resolve any planning errors.
Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the green Validate button. If there are no errors in your plan, the plan will approve and you are ready to follow your plan towards graduation. If there are errors in the plan, it will come up as invalid. If you scroll to the top, it will show what errors there are and what you need to fix to get an approved plan. If you have trouble fixing the errors, contact an advisor through the Grad Plan tool, or you can schedule an appointment with the advising office.
After you have an approved plan, you can always move classes around as needed and then validate the plan again. That's it! You're on your way to becoming a class planning expert. Check out our other tutorial videos to complete your training and further impress your roommates. And that special someone that sits next to you in your religion class.